Today we're going to be replacing the sand in the sand filter. First thing you need to do is cut off your supply. Cut off your return. Now we're going to go over here and drain the filter. Unscrew this. It's going to take a while. Next we're going to cut these pipes. Some pools will have a union right here, but when you have a union, you're liable to get leaks, so it's best to just go ahead and glue everything in solid. Next, you want to loosen this collar up. Take this other side all the way off. Don't lose your bolt and nut. We're going to need a pipe wrench for this. This pipe wrench doesn't get used very often. Hey, if you're new to my channel is all about saving you time and money with my how-tos and reviews. This review, or this how-to, is going to save you around $250 because that's what it's going to cost you to get the pool store to come out and change your sand. And that's not counting the sand. This just comes right on up. We'll rinse this out real good before we put it back. Let me show you what we look like inside there. That's full of water right there. That's actually a reflection coming back onto my phone from the sun, but that's full of water. See the sand down in there? That's actually water up to a certain line there. When doing this next part with a shop vac, be sure that you know where your cords are at so that you don't get electrocuted, because you know that water and power doesn't mix. So you just turn on your shop vac and you start sucking the sand out of here. It's going to take a while, so I'm not going to record all that, but that's all you have to do. I forgot the last time I used 1.25 inch PVC and put it down inside that pipe. And it's up high enough to where you're not dumping sand off down in that hole. So that's a little tip. All right, we got enough sand out of here to where we can actually flip this. We're going to pull this pole out. We're going to dump it. Watch out for black widows. This is what's inside your filter. These are laterals, this is your pipe. So you want to rinse this off real good and check all these out, make sure there's no cracks in it. Oh, they just flip up. Alright, now I'm going to take this water hose and get inside this and rinse all this out. All this old sand out of here. Hey, Henry, you hold this one. Your base has got 4 notches in it. The bottom's got 4 notches in it. Just line them up. Now, the cap we took off a minute ago, or a little while ago, we need to put that back on. Just want to inspect these laterals real good. You just put it in, open them all out. Now we're going to add water in here, about that much. Now what this does by adding water in here is it helps when you start putting the sand in to not damage the laterals. The water disperses the sand a little better so it doesn't break the laterals. That's good. We'll put tape on top of this to keep sand from getting in it. Just hold it there until we get a bunch of bags in.
Almost my finger.
Sorry. Are you serious?
Yes, you almost stabbed my finger.
Be careful.
I like felt the sharpness.
Next, we need to take this and line it up with that pipe. Everything should seat down. You've got an O-ring underneath this that you need to make sure it's still there when you go put it back. Line this up to where your pipes are going to be facing these pipes. Put your collar back on. When you tighten this collar down, be sure that you tighten it down about the same on both sides on the gap. Screw on one side a little bit, then the other side, back over. Now you want to put some Teflon tape back on your new fitting. Go back to the bottom one first. Teflon tape. All right. All that's left now is just line up all your pipes and glue them in. Once you get everything piped back in, put your pump on rinse and run it for 3 minutes. So the best way to know if you need your sand changed in your filter is if your water stays cloudy, if you're running your filter and you see particles coming back out of your return jets, that's a big sign right there. If your laterals happen to be broken, even the slightest crack, you'll get sand washed right back into your pool from your sand filter. So be sure that your laterals are not cracked any at all. I want to tell y'all thanks for watching, thanks for stopping by. Give this video a big thumbs up if it helps you out in any kind of way. Leave a comment in the comment section down below. Be sure to check out my other videos. I've got quite a few on pool maintenance that'll save you tons of money. The sand that I used in this video cost me $64 and some change. Well worth the money compared to $250 worth of labor for the pool store to do it. So y'all have a good one now. Thanks for watching and you come back.